Let's make a total solar eclipse with colored paper. We will need a piece of white paper, some colored paper, black colored paper is a must, a pencil, a cup, scissors, and a glue stick. First, let's make a black circle that you can see when the sun is completely covered by the moon. Place down the black colored paper and flip an approximately sliced cup over it and draw a circle with a pencil. Cut a circle along the pencil line with scissors. Then, flip 4 pieces of colored paper that you want and place them on the table. With these colors, you can create a colorful spread of light around the black circle. Place the black circle in the middle of the 4 flipped colored papers. Draw a circle a little bigger than the black circle with a pencil. It doesn't have to be perfect. For a more fun effect, place colored paper on the table in the same way. Place the black circle in the middle like before and draw a bigger circle than before. Think carefully about the color combinations so that the small circle around the black circle is made up of brighter and more colorful colors. For a ring-like effect on the black border, I used yellow. Set the black circle aside and collect all colored papers with pencil lines on them. And tear the colored papers carefully by hand one by one along the pencil line. Now we need a piece of white paper and a glue stick. Place the hand-torn colored papers on the side and fill in the white paper to create the desired color combination. Create a background for a total solar eclipse by matching various colors. If you've decided on a background combination you like, glue it one by one on the white paper. Don't forget to put the brighter and more vivid colors like yellow on top. Looks like something's missing. Attach the black circle in the middle with the glue stick. Great! Look, we created a total solar eclipse using the collage technique. I really like the colorful background I made that is different from the gray background of the total eclipse. Do you want to try with me? It'll be fun. I hope you enjoy it. See you in the next video. Bye!